Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a Tamil Nadu style sambar powder. First, let us check out the ingredients. 100 grams of dry chilies, 100 grams of coriander seeds, 4 tablespoons of parboiled rice, 4 tablespoons of split chickpeas, 4 tablespoons of split black gram and 4 tablespoons of split pigeon peas, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and few curry leaves. Coriander seeds and the dry chilies are the base for this powder. First, let us dry roast them. The coriander seeds will take a little bit of extra time than the dry chilies to get fried. Keep it in low to medium flame and fry it properly. Both has to change its color. Here they have fried well. We can take it out and let it cool. Next, we will move on to the next set of ingredients to be fried. Everything is 4 tablespoons here. Chana dal, urud dal, tur dal and the rice. All the dals has to change its color and the rice has to pop. Till then you have to fry. This is ready. Let this cool down. Next, we will move on to the final set of ingredients to be fried. Everything is 2 teaspoons here. Mustard seeds, methi seeds, cumin seeds and the peppercorns. Finally, the curry leaves. We are going to fry this till the moisture from the curry leaves gets evaporates. Now let all the ingredients cool down. Gather all the fried items. Now we are not going to add turmeric powder and hing. So first we are going to let these items cool and we are going to grind it. Let us powder this first. This is ready. Now it's time to add the turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. Now powder it again. Our sambar powder is ready. Now we have to let it cool. Spread it in a paper and let this cool down completely. Make sure the powder is completely cool. If you are going to store this hot, your powder will get spoiled. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into another airtight container. If stored properly, you can use this for more than a month. Our sambar powder is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.